Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to zoom on Tradingview 2025. So what we're going to do, make sure we'll have logged in this tradingview.com easily. And example, if I just select any of coin like this Binance coin, I will just tab on it and it will be just open and another window. So this is the graph of this coin and how we can just tab to full chart. So here you will see there is an option is full chart. So I will be just tab on it and let's see. So it will be just show me the full view of this trading. And if you want to that more zoom and you will be just see these candlesticks. So in this you will be just by the fingertips on your laptop just zoom in and it will be just zoomed. So in this way you will just have to zoom on TradingView in 2025. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.